So you have to remove these guys. You can do it by finger. Here's one, and here's two. And to remove the handle, you need I think this is a 20 T-torque. Let me see. I think it's a 20. Anyways, you have to go from the hole in the top, and you have to look for that little screw. Try to look for it, but you need some flashlight. Is it a flashlight?
No, but you can see it. There you go.
Okay. So where's the freaking screw? You looking at this one? Tienes que ver este. Ponlo más adentro. Let me see. Where's that freaking screw? Okay. I think it's right there. Okay, that's the screw. Okay. You're coming now, fucking. ¿Qué tal si le hago zoom? Oh, it's a horrible camera. Okay, I see it now. Anyways, you have to pull the handle a little bit out so you can have access to that screw right there. It's very small, kind of like there. So here. So when you do that, you pull it out a little bit, and then you put the screwdriver, and then you'll be able to turn it, and that will get you the handle out, and then you just take it off. But the one in the back is a little bit different. To access that little screw and the one in the back, you have to take this this one right here. You have to take it out so you can be able to access. This is the one. This is the hole where you're gonna find the screw that holds this freaking handle. You might not see it, but once you look into this hole, you will see it. There's no videos on internet about removing the e60 M5 handles, but if you see other videos, you will know what to do. Just wanted to show you where was the access. Here and here. Those are the screws that you need to remove to take the handle out.